Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. I want to show you this wedding dress that I have here in stock. It's a beautiful wedding dress. It is by Morgan & Company, the size 16W, so it's a plus size dress. 16 is a large size, and it is the beginning of the plus sizes, but it's still very reasonable. I would say it's closer to regular, and of course it depends on the market. I have certain markets where they want dresses primarily from size 12 to 16, so this dress would be in that range. It is wide, so it's going to be a little wider than 16 regular. Okay, having said that, let me show you the dress. You can see the shoulder straps. Right, the arm would go through here. See the opening for the arm. The chest is you can see the opening on the chest area of the dress, a small V. Now the dress actually goes up pretty high, so it's relatively modest, especially if a woman wears a t-shirt or a jacket on top of the dress. Now you could see the cape part of the dress is kind of long, and the dress itself looks like it reaches right past the knees. Although I consider this a wedding dress, I could see someone wearing this dress at a fancy party or at another occasion. The dress is by Morgan & Company. Has a zipper. It's a zip-up dress. It gives also the illusion of it being see-through, but it is a lined dress. You can see here, it's Morgan & Company, size 16W. I'm currently selling this dress for $24.99. $25. When you buy 50 or more dresses, they're $19.99 each. The prices do vary. Sometimes the prices could be a little higher, but I try to make sure not to sell any dresses, above $30. I do have dresses that could retail for up to $500, $600 a dress, and I try to cap my wholesale price at $30 a dress. On the plus side, many times when I have a really good deal on dresses, I'll even sell the dresses for as low as $15 a dress. You are definitely welcome to come here in person. You can send someone on your behalf. You can also order by WhatsApp or through the website. I ship both domestically and internationally. I have customers at boutiques throughout the United States, throughout Africa, throughout the Caribbean, throughout Latin America, and many other places as well. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093, 1917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching.